We were in a neighborhood that, I once met a social scientist from Columbia University on a plane trip somewhere, and when I told her about my life growing up in the South Bronx, the Southeast Bronx, my building is now rubble, okay, and which amazes me because I think in 1938 that area of the Bronx, the South Bronx, was really like almost like suburb. It was new. The buildings were built in the late 30s. By the 50s, people were leaving in droves. The neighborhood became more difficult and more dangerous. But I was there from 1944 till 1959. We moved to Little Neck in Queens in 1959, and I resented it because the Bronx was exciting. It was multicultural. We had Irish Catholics, Italian Catholics, we had Jews, we had Puerto Ricans, we had Black, we had everybody, and I liked it. I liked that rhythm and that excitement. When we moved to Little Neck, and my parents were they were involved, they were very much, my mother was the executive director of the Third Avenue Merchants Association in the Bronx. They were trying to beautify the neighborhood, make it safer. The merchants were working on community causes, and my parents were socially active. They were active in the Democratic Party. And when we moved to Little Neck, we moved to a Jewish veterans place called Deepdale, garden apartments that you bought into. And that was the last home my mother ever had. She left there to live with me before she died. But I didn't like it. I was 15 years old. I had to go to Bayside High School, which was mostly white and mostly Jewish. And I wasn't used to that. It wasn't exciting. And I used to say to my mother, you don't have anything to do here. Everybody else is doing all the work and all the charity work. It's like you're not even needed. But she got involved in other things. But I liked my childhood in the Bronx. It was exciting.